What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on my YouTube channel. Today we're just going to be quickly going over this gold sell that was called out in my private Telegram, and just quickly take a look at why I took this trade and what my kind of vision for it was. And I'll just show you guys quickly the private Telegram here, just to show you guys that I did in fact call this trade out. We can see here December 13th, that's the day. As you can see down in the bottom right, and I said gold trade idea, looking at a quick scalp, entry 1976273, and then I said we'll look to close some profits and move stops to break even at take profit 1. So if we click the chart, we can see we have the setup right here. We have the stop loss, entry, take profit 1, which was 1974149, and then we have take profit 2 down there, 1970.773, and literally, so that was at 5:15 and then 5:24, so not even 10 minutes later, we can see here that take profit got smashed with a nice drive down. And I said take profit 1 here, take some profits and move stops to break even. So it was a risk-free trade at that point, just 10 minutes later. And then I did say it was a quick scalp, and then obviously I posted my results, my profits from that trade. So that was all called out live in the private Telegram. And yeah, basically what I was looking at here is, if we take a look at the daily here on gold, we can clearly see overall that price is still bullish, right? We're in the kind of like this bullish uptrend, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. But what I did see is that we have already broken the previous weekly lows, as you can see right here. So we broke the previous weekly lows, and we had a massive rejection wick up last week from this weekly candle, and it closed bearish, breaking the previous weekly lows. And then again at the start of this week, we broke previous weekly lows. So looking at the daily, price is still very bullish, but from the weekly perspective, like I said, we broke those lows. We started to we had the massive rejection wick and a bearish closure, and then we started to drive down with some nice daily bearish candle closures right here. You can see there's a strong bearish candles, quite a lot of volume in these daily candles. And so what I was looking for basically is just a quick drive down. We can see here that we had this support that was formed here. So we had these candles, right? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see that they were creating a minor support up in this region, right? And then what I saw was that price started to pull back. So we had if we zoom out again, we had a very nice sell-off, right? Nice move down, and then we started to make some pullback. So in here we pulled back and we retested that previous weekly low. So this orange level is that previous weekly low. You can see that we broke it and retested it here, and then we came back up for another touch, massive rejection wick, and then we continue bearish, and then we pull back again, right, with some nice rejection wicks on these candles, and then we closed bearish, right, breaking that previous 4-hour low, respecting that previous 4-hour high, creating a nice resistance. So my idea was that price would drive down past this previous daily low and give us a quick scalp trade. I was only looking at 30-40 pips, and so we had like the whole take profit, I think was 40 pips, 45 pips, and then we had take profit 1 at around about here, I think 30 pips, and so that absolutely got smashed there, that take profit. And I'll show you guys the it's just covered my face. That was the results from that trade right there. So a little $751.33. That is a screenshot of my MT5. And then, like I said, I did tell the members, once we hit that take profit 1, we're going to take some profits. We're going to move stops to break even. And that's exactly what happened. And then we came up and hit break even, which is fine. We're out of that trade. We've already took our profits, and we're just going to let the rest run. But as you can see, we did have a nice, from entry, we had a nice 31, 32 pip move. And that is what a scalp is. You know, I see a lot of traders when they talk about scalping, they take 5, 10 pips. When I scalp, I'm looking to take 20, 30 pips minimum. Because as you guys would have known from my previous trades, my usual trades and my usual take profits are usually around 80 to 150 pips in that region. So when I'm going for scalps, I'm at least going for 20 pips, and that's what we did here today. And that was all just based off simple market structure, simple price action, trend, volume, and like volume anticipation for that pre-London push, pre-London volume push. And yeah, we executed, we got our profits, and we got out. Very simple, right? And that's what a scalp should be. And I did say to those guys in the private Telegram that it was a scalp and it was going to be a quick trade, and that's exactly what it was. So yeah, beautiful trade. Literally made $750 in 10 minutes. So you can't really complain, and you can't ask for much more than that. In terms of GJ, we haven't really had anything today. We've got Bank of Interest Rate coming tomorrow. We had GDP here today, but didn't really do much. The market is in a bit of a consolidation phase right now. If we look within this zone, price is ranging within this area. So no trades on GJ today. And of course, no more trades tonight on gold, because we do have PPI, very high impact news. And we also have a Fed interest rate decision here later on in the morning here for me. So that was today's trade. Like I said, all called out live in the private Telegram. If you guys are interested in joining, those links will be down below, and you can check out that website as well. If we just go over here and we click this, I'll just quickly bring you over there so you guys can quickly see that. This is the website. This is where you'll be able to purchase the private Telegram membership. And we offer a lot of things here with this membership. Of course, a chance to follow all my trades. So we get the signals, live trade updates. So I'm not just giving you the signals and then just leaving you to it. I keep you updated with what I'm doing regularly. We have all entry, exit levels, you know, break even, take profit, stop loss, entry, take profit too. We also have a education channel, so you'll get access to the education channel as well. So we have the private, the setup channel, and then we have the education channel where I post my strategy videos, market breakdowns, market updates, trade breakdowns, all those kind of things in there. I've spelled mentorship wrong. We have mentorship, we have live calls with the members, and then of course, you know, 24/7 support. You can message me whenever you want on Telegram at whatever time, and I will answer all your questions and queries, and we can have a chat about whatever. But yeah, that was today. Nice little profits here on gold. Happy with that. And we move on to tomorrow, and we see what these high impact news events bring, what kind of numbers that come out, and what kind of data they bring, and how that affects the market. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. That was a quick little video today, just to give you a breakdown of this trade, and we move on to tomorrow. Right, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the YouTube channel, help us grow. Like the YouTube videos, maybe leave a comment if you want. But yeah, I appreciate you all being here, just watching this, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.